Got the inside of this bed shot with upol Raptor liner. If you want to follow along, check out how we did this in the steps. My wife already prepped the bed, and I went ahead and got the rust inhibitor on there, the primer, and shot the coats of the black Raptor liner. Now just so you know, you can also get this in tinable spray, where you can do a matching color to your car. But follow along. If you haven't subscribed, do so, and also hit the notification bell. My wife has gotten in here while I was buffing on the cab. She's gotten all the inside of this bed sanded down with 36 grit, so that we can make sure that that rust preventative primer will stick and adhere real good to that surface. And also the upol Raptor liner that we'll be putting in here also will stick very well. We've got the rust preventative primer by upol, and we have the upol Raptor lining coating that's going to be in black. We've got 8 bottles. You're only required 4 bottles to do a bed, but I want to get 8 so we can make sure we get a real good thick film in here. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So I'm going to blow it out, wipe it real good, and then we're going to start putting some primer. When that primer dries, we're going to put the Raptor coatings, and it says to wait about an hour in between coats when you're putting that on so that you can build it up real good. You don't have to worry about air pockets getting in underneath your Raptor. Alright, let's go ahead and get right in there. Just a little note, if you're going to be shooting that primer from upol, the high build, rust preventive coatings, it will require at least a 4-point tip gun. Now this gun, this is an Optima 400, and this is a 4-point tip gun. So this right here will shoot that thick primer. Okay, all this primer is in the bed. Now I just gotta let this dry for about an hour and then shoot a coat, a very light coat of the black Raptor by upol, and then wait another hour, shoot some more. Now all you gotta do when this comes in is put your hardener in there to that line right there. So just simply open it, shake it up, put your hardener up that line, put the cap back on and make sure you shake it real good. And then once that's done, make sure you have your gun. Slide your gun down in through there and screw it in. Now make sure you don't tip it over to where anything leaks out of that hole, because it's got to have a hole to breathe. So simply and then pull the trigger. You see it's spray. So let's go ahead and get this done. Get an 8. We'll make sure this right here is really, really thick, so we have no issues down the road. Let's go ahead and put some more cans on. And here it is. This is the finished product. It took exactly 4 of the bottles of the black upol Raptor liner. I did exactly 2 good coats. It took 1 bottle for the floor and 1 bottle for each side in the back panel. I also did the tailgate as well. And 4 bottles, that's pretty much it. So this is the finished product of exactly how your bed could look. So go ahead, run down to your local O'Reilly's or go to the upol website and pick you up a case of this. It runs in between $150 and $200. I'd recommend going down local O'Reilly's and picking that up. They do have that right there behind the shelf in most cases, and if not, they can go ahead and order it for you. But hit that subscribe, like, and notification bell, and thanks for watching.